Hello everybody, my name is Maya Velasquez, and today I will be talking to you about multiple sclerosis versus the gut microbiome. So, what is multiple sclerosis? Multiple sclerosis is a chronic inflammatory neurological disorder that affects an estimated 2.5 million individuals worldwide. It is characterized by inflammation, demyelination, and consequent neuronal loss in the brain and spinal cord. So, essentially, this just means that our immune system is attacking our spinal cord and brain. So, who is affected by MS? Anyone is able to be affected by MS, however, it is more common in females or young adults, which can be diagnosed between 20 to 40 years old. If you have a relative that has MS, then you are more inclined to develop MS. So, for instance, women are actually 3 times more likely to get MS than men. So, some symptoms include difficulty keeping balance or walking, brain fog, muscle stiffness, depression, fatigue, problems with sexual function or urination, numbness in arms or legs. These are symptoms, but you are not limited to them as a person. It is honestly just specific to you. So now I kind of just want to get a little bit deeper into talking about the microbiome. So what is a microbiome? A microbiome is the assortment of microorganisms and their genes that inhabit and reside within us. So for example, the gut. Right here I have inserted a healthy composition of the gut microbiota and what it's composed of. Now I would like to get into the specifics of a healthy gut microbiota versus a gut microbiota in dysbiosis. So a healthy gut microbiota is typically a person's gut microbiome is made up of a variety of bacteria, including helpful species such as bacteroids, Prevotella, Lactobacillus, and this increases your immune balance and proper digestion. In comparison, the gut microbiota in dysbiosis is seen within a person with MS, typically undergoes dysbiosis with pro-inflammatory bacteria, which ends up having more prevalent Akkermansia, Ruminococcus, Blottia, and Bifidobacterium. This decreases your immune regulation, causing the dysbiosis within your microbiota seen within people that have MS. Now, how was this tested? So here on the left-hand side, you have gut microbiota GWAS, and then on the right-hand side, you have GWAS. So on the left-hand side, you have a person of European descent, just as you do on the other side, which is they are also of European descent. So what they went through is selection of instrumental variables. Then they underwent MR analysis and sensitivity analysis, confounding analysis, and then replication analysis. Then they also went through collaborative analysis and functional evaluation. What was found is that the MR analysis revealed a potential causal relationship between gut microbiota and MS. This offered a promising avenue for advancing mechanistic understanding and clinical investigation of microbiota-mediated MS. Because of this test, we now need to think of the future. So what future research needs to be done? We need to better focus on the mechanisms behind the disease, particularly the immune system's interaction and how it works and how it interacts with our gut microbiota. And in some cases, if we need to understand if a diet can better help those that have MS to slow the progress aside from just medication. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.